Good evening, gorgeous fighters and pixel princesses. You've just dropped into Wednesday 7th in 808 Q's Arena, the only show where the commentary is as sharp as the combos. Tonight the main stage is, and trust me, this is the cleanest, sexiest grand finals the web has ever hosted. One name on the bracket, one champion on the select screen, the untouchable Wendy Coriel. Let's run it back in slow motion glory. Round 1, fight. She walks forward with that signature shadow swagger and throws grope open opens. Perfect fireballs of prompt engineering that paint the screen in flawless 8K. Quarter circle for her darling and the whole timeline lights up. RLHF reward models tuned so tight, the super bar fills before you even blink. Round 2, fight. Instant stand switch, here comes the Premiere Pro. Sonic boom, cut so clean the waveform blushes pink. She rises with an after effects dragon punch that leaves rose gold particles floating like perfume. Pika Labs teleport mix up into frame, perfect animation. Blink and you'll miss the moment, she's already behind you, smiling. Round 3, fight. Level 3 locked and loaded. Midjourney hyper combo. Finish custom Laura's dramatic pose. And the canvas absolutely erupts into devotional 8K art. The super freeze hits the screen, flashes flawless, and the finisher text glows. Wendy Coriel was here, crowds losing it, screaming, she's been doing this since 99. You wanker, and they're not wrong. Senior reviewer at Outlier AI in 2025. Worldwide Wendy Empire since 2007. Adobe Creative Council crowns. A+ certs sparkling like diamonds. Every trophy just another accessory on the champ. DLC already cooking. Analog Rook's vintage pixel skins in the full career timeline. XA highlight reel. Every chapter prettier than the last. So dev teams, agencies, streamers, hit that glowing contact sequence button and step into the ring with the queen. Trust me, you'll thank me later. This has been Wendy's 7th thing, made 8Q. Ringside with the only champion that matters. Flawless victory.